That satisfying pop when you crack your knuckles isn't bones grinding. It is actually a violent microscopic explosion. Inside your joints is a perfectly sealed capsule filled with glowing synovial fluid that keeps your cartilage gliding smoothly. When you stretch the joint, you force the physical space inside this sealed capsule to instantly expand. This rapid expansion causes a massive drop in internal pressure. The synovial fluid is stretched beyond its physical limit. Suddenly, the liquid rips apart. Dissolved gases rush into the empty space, tearing into existence as a glowing vacuum bubble. A split second later, this bubble violently collapses inward on itself, sending a powerful shockwave through the surrounding tissue. That microscopic shockwave is the exact crack you hear, leaving behind a wave of cool relief. This is NeoMed. Follow for the science of you.